Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about two major things wrong with the commercial roofing industry. The first thing is building owners, they go for a complete tear-off when 80% of the roof is in good shape. We go up there, we look at a couple core samples, maybe do an infrared inspection, and we see 85% of this roof has a good membrane and good insulation, but then they're getting quotes for a complete tear-off. We're thinking, well, why would you rip off all that roof when you could just do another roofing system where you can just remove 15% of the roof, 10% of the roof, remove and replace those areas and put a coating over top of it or put spray foam over top of it and get a new warranty. Why don't you go that route? So that's the first thing wrong with the commercial roof industry. Just opting for a complete tear-off right off the bat, no matter what. But some advice: you want to get someone who knows what they're doing, get core samples taken, get an infrared inspection report, and know how much of the roof's insulation is wet before you do anything. Because in some cases, maybe the roof is just leaking in one or two little spots, and those can be repaired or restored, and eventually you can get the whole roof under a new warranty. So definitely don't go for a complete tear-off right off the bat without knowing all the details of what's going on with your roof. And the second thing is building owners ignore restoration opportunities when the initial warranty is ended. So say you have a commercial roof, you got a TPO roof, let's just say, and it came with a 20-year warranty. Well, once that 20 years is up, most people, they just let it go. Out of sight, out of mind. The roof's not leaking, let's just let it go. But what people don't know is there's coating out there, which is kind of like a paint, except that it's engineered for commercial roofing, weathering events. It has the right elongation, has UV reflectivity, it's waterproof, it expands and contracts, etc. But people don't really know anything about coating systems and why would they do them now. The problem is people will just let the roof go because it's out of warranty. It'll eventually, water will start coming in, and the roof will be in too bad of a shape to put a coating on, and they'll have to do the complete tear-off. Complete tear-off is expensive. You got to rip everything off. You got to pay to transport it to a landfill. Then you got to install a whole new system on there. It's not very time-effective, not cost-effective, but just in simplest terms, when the warranty ends in your roof, get a contractor up there because there are restoration / coating opportunities that you can do now to continue that roof with a warranty. That's really it for today. Just the two major things wrong with the industry. If you want to learn more about any of these 2 points, there's a link to the blog post in the description. And I hope you learned at least one thing new today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.